Hi Pradita, how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great and I'm fantastic, buddy. You tell, buddy, what about you?
Yes, I'm also fine. Thank you for asking. So, Pradita, can you introduce yourself to my audience because they want to know about you, like what do you do, where
Yeah,
are you from, like this?
definitely. It's my pleasure and thanks for giving this opportunity. And when it comes to my introduction, I am speaking to you from Daman and Diu, Union Territory, but my native place that
Okay,
is Odisha. And about my education, I did become graduation. Currently, I'm doing job. That means by profession, I'm a working person and I'm working with a
okay,
private organization. And when it comes to my English journey, I have been practicing my English from 4 months. That's all about of me. Thank you.
okay. That's great. Your English is good. Like you are speaking without any hesitation. So that's great thing. So, let me introduce you myself. So, my name is Sahil. I belong to Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my study. I am working in a company in a corporate center. Apart from this, I am improving my English so that I can grow in my career because English is more required in my career. I think in every field, English is required more. If we have
Yeah,
a good command in English, we can get promotion and all. So everywhere, I think English is common
yeah,
language.
yeah. You are 100% right. Nowadays, English is most necessary. And one more thing,
Yes,
just I wanted to ask you that is, as you mentioned, you are doing job. So you are doing job in your native place. That means UP or any other place.
yes, I am at my hometown because my job is as a work from home. So we need to go to company just because I have laptop. So I do my job work through laptop. So it is work from home job. So now I'm living at my home. But earlier I was living in Noida when I was working in another company. So uh, it was work from office. So because of COVID-19, every company is providing work from home. So now I
Yeah, it's
have
a
given
nice
in a
thing.
yes,
It's
yes.
a nice thing. And my second question goes to you. That is, would you like to say something about your English journey? Like, when did you start your English journey, and how long you have been exercising your English?
Yes, yes, definitely. I will let you know. So now, when I was studying, when I completed my graduation, I had no idea about the importance of English, where English is required, and we should learn English or not. I didn't, I didn't know about this. But when I came to Noida, then I started looking for a job because I needed a job that time because I have completed my study. I was preparing for government job and I wanted to self dependent, so I was looking for a job when I appeared in front of interviewer. So he started asking the question in English, so I had no idea about even my introduction, like how to introduce to ourselves in English, because I didn't know about anything like what questions will be asked there in front of interviewer. Then I got to know English is very important in today's time. So from that time, I started practicing of English. Still, I am learning. Now I have improved a lot with the help of social media through online, but I have never uh, attended any coaching classes, any offline coaching
Hmm.
classes. Whatever I am learning through social media, through smartphone, so still I am improving. So yes, this is my journey, and I have been learning English uh, for 1 year.
Yeah, that's nice to listen all your story and all your journey. And one thing, just please share like which kind of thing you are doing for your English. Like you are reading something or you are doing something nowadays for your English.
Yeah, in order to improve my English, I keep watching videos related to English on YouTube. Apart from this, I read newspaper and sometimes I get new sentences, new vocabulary. So I note in my notebook. After that, I start implementing in my conversation. when I talk to anyone, I start that sentences in my conversation. So in this way, I am improving. So like as much as possible, we have to talk to people because we know very well like we can listen, we can read, but the thing is that if you are not speaking, it will not work.
Yeah,
So here you have to speak, you have to talk more and more. Yes,
yeah.
we like we will not get any environment of English. Just we have to create an environment of English. Yes,
Oh,
things
yeah.
will not come to you, and you will have to um go there to achieve
Yeah,
something.
you yes, yes, you will have to speak a lot more time. Then, like
Yes,
for a long time, after for a long time, you can become a fluent speaker and you can get this fluency. Yeah. And one thing just I want to ask you that is nowadays you are interacting with new stranger and you are trying to
yes,
talk with them by video chat. So which
yes.
kind of benefit you are getting from this way?
So in this way, I am getting confidence. Like I am talking to you through video call. So I am getting confidence. Apart from this, I get content to upload my YouTube so that I can inspire my subscribers. And and one thing I would like to tell you, oh, I would like to tell to my subscriber, anyone who wants to talk to me one on one, just they can DM me on Instagram or they can comment me. I will talk to him. So in this way, I am getting content to upload on my YouTube, and I am inspiring them. And yes, because
Yeah, that's a nice thing.
I
Yeah.
have a YouTube channel, you know.
Yeah, yeah, it's a nice thing if you are going to interact with new stranger, if you are dealing with new minds. So it will be a
Yes,
better option. You can remove your hesitation and you can boost your confidence also. And anything else
yes,
would you like to ask or would you like to
yeah,
know?
definitely.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
have one more. I have more questions. So, how did you get to know about my YouTube channel?
Yeah, it's a very nice, interesting question. And thanks for your question. And when it comes to your YouTube channel, like nowadays, I start to watch lot of video on YouTube to in order to improve my
Okay.
English level. So a few days back, I saw your video on YouTube that was interesting, and I thought I need to interact with you. And now just I'm talking with you, and I feel lot of enthusiastic just talking with you, and I am very happy.
Okay, okay, that's great.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Anything
you
else?
are from, yes, you are from Odisha, right?
Yeah, I am from Odisha.
Yes. Yes. So, how many languages do you know?
Yeah, when it comes to language, I know several languages. As you know, as I mentioned in my introduction, my native place that is Odisha. So my native tongue that is Odia. Then after I have learned Bengali. And for my career purpose, I have learned Hindi. And nowadays I'm trying to learn English. And I know I can understand your Gujarati and Bhojpuri, little bit Telugu also.
Okay, that's great. You know a lot of languages. Only I know two languages. One language is my native language, and second is my English. Like Hindi is my native language,
Hmm.
and second I am learning English language, so we can add in second
Hmm.
language. Yes.
Okay.
So
So yeah, carry on, carry on.
yes, no, it was. I was going to ask a normal question. If you have any question, you can ask. After that, I will ask. You can go ahead.
Yeah, definitely. And I want to ask one question that is, what do you think about communication skill nowadays? It's necessary. Like, what do you think about communication skill? Because we are not ever from communication skill when we used to go school and college time. But nowadays, we know very well communication that is a very crucial part for ourselves. So, what do you think
Yes.
about it?
Yeah, communication is skill is very necessary part for our career if we want to get a good job. So it is very important in today's time. No one will check your degree, what you have done, but sometimes it will work. But first thing, they will check your communication skills. How do you talk to people, and how is your confidence, and how will you like how do you handle the situation, and are you communicating to different people. So they will check, like to enhance your communication skill as much as possible. You have to talk to different people. So in this way we get confidence. If we have confidence, our communication will be good. We will not get hesitated while speaking in front of anyone. We can talk to anyone. Like earlier, I was very shy type of person, but with the help of YouTube, I have improved a lot.
Yeah, that's a
So it is very
nice
important.
way. Yeah, and one more thing, just I want to keep here. Like when it comes to my journey, like I started 4 months back with Juice Talk. I think you know about it. Juice Talk, that is a
Yes,
voice
yes,
call
I
platform.
know.
Yes,
Yes,
from
I
four
know.
months I have been using this platform, and whenever I get some leisure time, that time I'm going to spend some time there. And apart of this platform, I'm going to watch some video regarding English. And
Okay,
apart of speaking and watching and listening, I'm going to write something like I'm going to elaborate some discussion topic before conversation. And one more thing I want to tell you, that is daily wise I'm going with new discussion topic. If you are interested, so then you are welcome, and you need to connect me daily wise, so it will be a better option, you and me also.
yes, yeah, definitely I will connect you. Yes, I also use just skill app. I whatever I improved in my English with the help of this application, I improved a lot.
Yeah, it's a nice thing. Like in a whole day, how many time you are spending there?
Uh, Sometimes I used to I was giving more than 30 minutes every day to talk to people. Only I use talking feature. Like talk
Yeah.
to different people. I use this feature.
Yeah, that's a nice platform. And when it comes to me, like I'm going to spend like 30 minutes to 1 hour, as much as it's
Okay.
possible. And apart of my exercise, speaking exercise, I'm not going to do any other exercise like reading and some of grammatical thing. But I believe I know I have much of knowledge about English grammatical thing. But my lack part, that
Okay.
is my speaking. I'm not exercising that much, so nowadays I'm trying to spend a lot more time in my speaking part so I can develop.
Yes, yes, definitely. Here we need to work hard as much as possible. We have to consume English content so that we can deliver. Like if we are consuming 100% English, then we can deliver 50 to 60% English.
Hmm.
Yes, so it is very
Okay,
important
so
to listen English.
yeah, anything else would you like to ask?
Yes, I would like to know about your hobbies. What do you like to do in your free time? I
Yeah,
think you must be
definitely.
busy.
Yeah, thank you first for your question. And when it comes to my hobbies, I like listen to music, and I like spend time with my friends, like talk with them and visit new places. And apart of this
Yes,
thing, I like play football. And as I mentioned previously, I'm a working person. So being a working person, it's not that much easy to get a lot of leisure time in a whole day. Yeah, whenever I get
yes.
some free time, at that time I prefer to play football if that is possible. Otherwise, I'm going to listen some music, or I'm going to watch some video regarding English. So such kind of stuff I do in my leisure time.
Okay, as you mentioned, you like visiting different places. So, what is your favorite place where you have not visited and you want to visit in your future time?
Yeah, when it comes to visiting, yeah, I'm a very passionate person to visit new places, and I want to explore new places. And um, I have a plan like in March, like in next month.
Okay.
So I'll go to visit my hometown. So then after I'll go to visit Puri Jagannath Temple in March, and September to October I'll go to visit in Kedarnath Temple, like Kedarnath and Badrinath, two temple with my
Yes.
friends. Yeah.
Yeah, it is a great place. It is one of the great places. So,
Hmm.
have you ever been in Uttar Pradesh?
Nobody. I never been, but I know several places like Lucknow, Varanasi. and Gorakhpur,
Yes.
lot of places. And nowadays I am, having little bit familiar to Uttar Pradesh because lot of students, lot of people, they are talking with me. And as you know, we are using juice talk. So lot of students, they are calling from UP. So that is a very important thing. If you are using juice talk, so also you are getting two benefits. One time you are exercising your English, and another part you are gaining lot of knowledge about these places. So that is a nice thing. That's why I know several things about your UP.
Okay. Do you like solo traveling?
Yeah, sometimes it's depend on
Okay.
place to place.
Yes. If I talk about me, so I don't like solo traveling. I like to spend I like to spend some time with my friends. If I go anywhere, if we have some friends, so I enjoy that moment. If we don't have any friend, if I go any place, so I get bored. So only for me, so, like everyone has different things. Yes.
Yeah,
So
it's a very
like
nice thing. Yeah, if you are going to visit new places, so it will be a new experience for you. And when it comes to me, like every year I'm going to visit new places. Last year I had visited Dwarkadiji temple, Somnath temple. That is part of in Gujarat. So I'm living in Daman and Diu. It's nearby me. So last year I had visited there with my friends. It was a nice experience for me.
yes, yes. So
Yeah.
I know Odisha, like your state is too far from my state. I don't know what is that distance in kilometer, but I know it is so far.
Okay, that's nice. And anything else would you like
Yes.
to ask?
No, no, I had no question yet. Uh, yes, if you have any question, you can ask me. Otherwise,
Yeah, like
we have
in
to.
the last sense, I want to keep a very important thing that is this is our first interaction. So literally, I'm very happy just talking with you, buddy. And thanks for your valuable time and thanks for your support. It's make it
Yes,
bright to
thank you.
every learners. And I hope we will meet very soon.
Yes, yes, definitely. I have learned a lot of things from you, and yeah, it was a great conversation with you. I'm
Okay.
glad to meet you.
Okay. Bye bye, buddy. Take care.
Yes, yes. Bye bye. Good night.